Hello, continuing our apartment tours. We're over here on Seminary and Grace. We're taking a look at this building over here. We're going to take a look at this two-bedroom inside here. This is a block from Wrigley Field. There's a good shot of Wrigley. We're going up to the third floor. Cubs win. This is decorated with some Cubs memorabilia. That's from the World Series in 2016. You can take a look at this two-bedroom here. Cubs World Champions. So we're a block north of Wrigley Field. And hello, we're taking a look at this two-bedroom. It's in a vintage walk-up building. This is a living room. Hardwood floors throughout, 9-foot ceilings. This one gets a lot of sunlight. Looking out there down the street. It's a very cute room here. Let's go back. This is a long apartment. So we'll take a look at the bedroom one. Here's bedroom one. Got a large closet there. Big closet. Very big closet. There's a window over there. Plenty of room for a queen-size bed. And going down the hall some more. Here's the bathroom. Toilet, sink, and shower there. And here's bedroom two. Alright, this is bedroom two. That's a queen-size bed, I believe, or full-size bed. Nice big closet over there in the corner. There's air conditioner in the window. They do allow cats in this building. That's a cat. Alright, let's walk down. Here's a little alcove with a built-in hutch. Some people have this as a little bar area. You can have a table right there, a small table. And now we're out here in the kitchen. The kitchen has a counter you can eat at, a pantry. I'll take a look from here. So it's refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, sink, nice bright window, cabinets, and then we'll take a look out here on the back porch. It's got a cute back porch. You can sit out here. It's a non-smoking building, but you can see here, you can sit down here on the deck and look out there at Wrigley Field. You can also barbecue down there, and there's laundry down here. And that's what's going on here.